Hey guys, Doug here with your Week 8 MyStatLab Problem 8 example. Let's go ahead and read our problem. Hoping to lure more shoppers downtown, a city builds a new public garage in the central business district. The city plans to pay for the structure through parking fees. For a random sample of 44 weekdays, daily fees collected averaged $126 with a standard deviation of 15. Suppose that for budget planning purposes, the city needs a better estimate of the mean daily income from parking fees. And we just have three basic questions to answer here in this problem. We can do this pretty quickly. Let's go ahead and look at part A. Someone suggests that the city use its data to create a 95% confidence interval instead of the 90% interval that the city first created. Would this increased interval be better for the city? Well, if we increase the confidence from 90 to 95%, then yes, this is going to help. It'll give us a higher percentage that are going to fall within this interval. So yes, this would be better for the city. Part B says, would the 95% confidence interval be worse for planners? Well, let's think about what happens when we go from 90% interval into a 95% interval. What we're doing is we're looking for a higher percentage of confidence, or we want to be more sure that our data falls within this interval. Well, how do we do that? Well, we increase the width of our interval. So by increasing it a little bit lower and a little bit higher, now there's more data that we can be confident will fall within this interval. So even though it may be better for the city, it could possibly be worse for planners because our width is going to be larger. And then part C, how could they achieve a confidence interval estimate that would better serve their planning needs? Well, probably in this case, the best thing to do would maybe be to have a larger sample size. We may be more confident about our values and that they fall within the limits that we're looking for if we have a better sample size. Obviously, a population is the best way to go about it. That's not going to be possible in most cases of everything that we're looking at. But the larger the sample size, the smaller the error. So maybe the best thing for them to do would be to just have more data collected and have a larger sample. Well, that's about all we have in this problem. Not much to it. Pretty quick and easy for you guys, but I hope this did help you. And this was our Week 8, Problem 8 example for MyStatLab homework. See you next time.